1723 Porsche Panamera passenger screen installation tutorial. First, we pry out the baffle beside the passenger door. Take out the screws inside. Pry the lamp out of the storage box. Take out the lamp and unscrew the screws inside. Next, pry out the decorative panel on the passenger seat. Pry out the decorative strip on the left side of the screen. Take out the screws inside. Take out the cup holder. Pry out the gear handle cover. Take out the screws inside. Take out the gear lever. Pry out the decorative panels. Unscrew the lower screws. Take out the P key. Continue to pry out the decorative panel. Take out the screws inside. Remove decorative pieces. Unplug the wire. Continue to take out the screws. Take out the armrest. Remove the screen screws. Pry out the center console trim strip. Take out the air outlet screws on the decorative panel and replace the air outlet with the new panel. Install the passenger screen. Take out the main unit with a special key. Unplug the power cord of the host and connect it to the wire we prepared. After plugging the other end of the cable back into the host, you can install it back into the host. Now that the decorative strips are put back in, the installation is complete.